Hi, and welcome to Civic Light, a calm space to understand how the Canadian government works. If civics has ever felt confusing or overwhelming, you are not alone. This channel is here to make it feel a little clearer and a little lighter. Civic Light is a gentle explainer channel about how the Canadian government works, across municipal, provincial, and federal levels. Everything here is designed to be calm, simple, and easy to follow. No stress, just clarity. A lot of people feel unsure about how government works, and that's completely normal. Civics isn't always taught in a clear or accessible way. Here, we aim to explain things simply, without noise, pressure, or partisanship. On this channel, we'll explore how different levels of government work in Canada, how decisions are made, how elections work, and why local issues actually affect daily life more than people realize. Everything is explained in a calm and balanced way. This space is for newcomers, young voters, residents who want clarity, and anyone who wants to understand their community without feeling overwhelmed. You don't need a background in politics, you just need curiosity. Thank you for being here. Civic Light is about making civic understanding feel safer, calmer, and more accessible. Let's make things lighter, one video at a time.